Are you tired of the same old routine? The 9-to-5 grind can feel like a never-ending loop, and millions of people feel stuck in jobs that don't inspire them. But here's the good news: you don't have to stay stuck. In this guide, I'm sharing 5 incredible side hustles that can help you earn an extra $500 a week or more from home. These are innovative, untapped opportunities you won't find on every earn money online list. Each one is beginner-friendly, flexible, and packed with earning potential. Let's dive in. 1. Digital product reselling, a passive income goldmine. Digital product reselling is a hidden gem that's perfect for anyone who wants to create passive income. It involves finding ready-made digital products, customizing them, and selling them online. Here's how it works. Look for products with resale rights on platforms like Creative Market or PLR.me. Customize these products slightly using free tools like Canva. Sell them on platforms like Etsy or even your own website. For example, imagine selling a digital planner for 10. If you sell 50 copies a week, that's 500. The best part: once the product is listed, it generates income with little to no maintenance. This side hustle is ideal for creatives and entrepreneurs who want a mix of automation and creativity. 2. Local business social media management. Every small business needs social media, but not all owners have the time or skills to manage it. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you can help local businesses grow their online presence and engage with customers. Start by offering your services to businesses in your area, like restaurants, gyms, or salons. Here's what you can do: create and schedule posts using tools like later.com. Design visuals with Canva. Charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 month per client. Even managing just 2 clients at $500 month each can earn you $1,000 a month. No fancy degree required, just creativity and a good understanding of social media trends. 3. Freelance proofreading for the grammar enthusiasts. If you've got an eye for detail and a love for language, freelance proofreading could be your dream side hustle. Blogs, ebooks, academic papers — there's a massive demand for skilled proofreaders. To get started, brush up on your grammar skills with free online resources. Sign up on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or ProBlogger. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway app to ensure your work is top-notch. Freelance proofreaders can charge anywhere from $20 to $40 per hour, and the work is highly flexible. This is a perfect option for anyone who enjoys reading and wants to make money while doing it. 4. Virtual event planning, the pandemic-proof business. The pandemic transformed the way people celebrate. Virtual events, like online birthday parties and corporate meetings, have become a booming industry. As a virtual event planner, you can earn $201,000 per event by organizing and coordinating these gatherings. Here's what you'll need: basic organizational skills, familiarity with platforms like Zoom or Eventbrite, a knack for communication and problem solving. Start by planning events for friends or local community groups. Use these experiences to build a portfolio, and you'll soon find yourself in demand for all kinds of virtual events. 5. Selling stock photos and videos. Did you know your smartphone camera could become a money-making tool? Selling stock photos and videos is an easy, creative way to earn passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your work and earn royalties every time someone downloads it. What to shoot? Everyday items like coffee mugs, laptops, or books. Scenic views, cityscapes, or food. Short video clips of people working, walking, or enjoying life. With free editing tools like Snapseed or Lightroom, even a beginner can create professional quality photos. This hustle is great for anyone who loves photography or just wants to turn everyday moments into cash. These 5 side hustles are more than just ways to earn extra money, they're opportunities to take control of your life and your financial future. Whether it's selling digital products, managing social media, proofreading, planning events, or selling stock photos, the key is to take that first step. Remember, the hardest part is starting. Once you do, the momentum will carry you forward. So, which of these side hustles will you try first? Let me know in the comments. The best way to predict your future is to create it.